Still waiting for the recap of the review, the replay of the VOD of WWE NXT Week 4 Wednesday Night Wars. I hear Matt Riddle hit Cameron Grimes with the Jackhammer to win the match. I wish it wasn't the former Carolina Caveman. That being said, so hyped. Does this mean that Goldberg's going to NXT after all that feud with Matt Riddle on Twitter? Like, he does the fucking jackhammer on NXT. Maybe there is this backlash from WWE management and Goldberg for injuring Undertaker, but still. Like, if you're gonna do that, like, basically he's gonna feud with Goldberg's what I would assume. That'd be crazy. What are your thoughts on subscribe?